What these numbers really tell you are that when it comes to biologics, the reason you're seeing this very strong, robust growth is because of our performance in emerging markets. Now, if you recall, in Q2 and Q3, we actually saw some headwinds hitting our biologics business,
right,
largely because we had to take a plant shutdown in order to respond to certain regulatory requirements that were observed during previous inspections, especially by the European authorities. And that, of course, greatly sort of impacted us in terms of being able to deliver the full potential in terms of biologics in the emerging markets. What you're seeing in Q4 is the fact that the plant is fully operational, biologics is back on in terms of its business track,
right,
and we've delivered a strong quarter on biologics. When it comes to research services, the same kind of holds true, because last fiscal it had muted performance because of the fire incident. The fire incident is behind us, and therefore you are seeing a very strong normalized growth momentum in the research services business. So as we enter FY19, at least these two business verticals get a head start,
right,
with a strong, robust kind of growth momentum. When it comes to small molecules, no doubt, I mean, generics continue to face strong commoditization headwinds. And we still are confident that we should be able to deliver at least modest single-digit growth in FY19.
Right.
When it comes to branded formulations, I think UAE has done extremely well. It has delivered a very robust growth momentum, and it will continue to do that in FY19, because we've also just entered the UAE market with our insulin glargine, which is the first biosimilar that we have launched in the UAE market. As far as India is concerned, we've faced a lot of pressures, GST, price control, and a lot of competitive pricing pressure in the Indian market. But I think going forward, I think we can leverage a lot of what is happening globally to steady our business in India and probably get much higher market share. And probably we want to make sure that our value growth is higher than our volume growth,
right,
in terms of getting better realization for the business. Now, going forward into FY19, I really believe that we should be able to deliver decent growth across our business verticals, but still basically propelled by biologics and research services.
Right, and talking about the domestic market, how do you see the distribution products ramping up here?
I think we've been a specialty company, and I think we've added a second oncology product, which is our Krabeva, to our CanMab. And we will actually strengthen the oncology focus in a very different way than we have done in the past. We are focusing a lot on sales, performance on the ground. We are focusing a lot on further differentiation and a strong focus on a value-based kind of prescriptive way forward. So hopefully we should be able to see a better performance of our India business.